Mozart 5 names. We're going to start from right hand, middle C, left hand, bass C. And when they play two hands together, they play the same letters together. Ready, set, go. C, 2, 3, go up. D, E, E, right hand. E, D, skip. E, D, 2, 3, 4. D, 2, 3, go up. E, F, F, right hand. F, E, skip, go down to 1 and 3. Left hand, move to middle C. A, 2, 3, go up to C. C, C, go down. B, A, G, right hand. G, go down. F, E, D, C, C, D, C, D, E, C. Move to high C, D, C, D, E, C. These composers, they was very long. Can you try it? Loudly say it strong. Say Johannes, Chryso, Thomas, Wolfgang, Amadeus, Mozart.